Okay then.
Say hi.
Hi guys, I'm going.
What?
Peekaboo!
Mandy, I hear you. What's up, guys? Hoy, Mandy, we're here to massage Mama. God, Jesus Christ! No! Ay, we're going to massage Mama nga. Ew. Stick Mama's quick. That's still good. Okay, first. It's like this how we massage. Mandy, not like that. Here first. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do
Mama's
it.
back part is yours. Mine is the lower part. This is our night. Sometimes only. Andy! Oh my. Oh my. What are you doing? Andy?
Boo! Tatanan.
Not like that.
Aray, Mandy naman. Ang sakit na.
So, not good. Mama's angry now. Okay guys. Just relax. That's just the mama of the dragons. Andy, you massage there, oh. Mama's back.
No, you go massage your mama. I'm so cold right now.
What about me? Don't leave me here. Andy, help me, you little rat. Jesus.
You don't help mama by my Oh no.
Oh my God. Are you doing this? Oh guys, are you doing this too?
Juby,
Are you doing this too?
Juby, Juby, Juby. Juby, Juby,
Hindi
Juby.
ko lang, ano yun, tama na. Sumasakit lang lalo yung likod ko ano.
Good, si Amanda Rose. Oh, let's massage this one.
I'm a butterfly.
Oh,
You look like Tina Argero.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
My skin is white.
Sub, sub, sub. Chuki yan.
Auntie, oh. That's Andy super happy at night. And then tomorrow she will cry.
Papa, go massage me.
No way.
You're so mean, Papa.
No!
Mm.
But if I massage you, you're gonna be like a chicken.
What?
You! You wash your feet? Looks like longaniza.
My foot is so itchy. Come on, massage my foot. Come on, look at my foot.
Oh my God, what happened to your foot? Is that a trolley?
Come on. Everybody look at my nails.
Yeah, show them your nails. Wow. Wow. Wow, also your foot.
Just massage me too.
You, welcome to our foot and spa massage service by yours truly, Panya Marunat. No way! I'm wet, Mandy. Si Mandy, it's getting hot.
Ouchie, 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 ouchie.
Mandy! Mandy!